everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a music in CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video and add the music that to CapCut apps, you just click on a clip in audio. This one, click add on audio, and then in here you can see a music. If you wanna cut a music, you just click on the music, and then you can choose the scenes that you want to cut. Maybe on this part, and then after this you can go to the part and then click on split in here. And then after this you can click on audio that you want to delete, maybe this one, click on it, and then in here you just click on delete. And now you can set the audio like this. So finish that how to cut a music in CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.